Welcome to the NAV People's Knowledge Hub. In Dynamics NAV, you can apply lot number tracking to your items. If you are unsure of what lot number tracking is, I'll explain. A lot tracking system is one that records information associated with a batch of products and allows you to track several units of stock using the same lot or batch number. This means you can track which batches went to which customer in the unfortunate event of needing to recall a product. In order to apply a lot tracking code to an item, there cannot be any ledger entries associated with this item, and so item tracking information must be completed before any inventory is added. Firstly, go to the item card you wish to apply this to and open the Item Tracking Fast tab. Here you can select your item tracking code, and if you click Advanced, you can see all of the details for that tracking code once opened from the list. Users can now select where they want the lot number tracking process to take place, the inbound process, the outbound process, or both, as well as what stages within that process they want tracked. To show you lot number tracking, I am going to create a purchase order. Enter your vendor number, the item with the lot number tracking, and the quantity of that item. Open the line table function and select Item Tracking Lines. On this page, you can assign lot numbers that you want to use on the selected item. You can enter the lot number manually or use the Assign Lot Number function in the Actions tab on the ribbon. Assign the quantity of the item that you want to the selected lot number. Close this page and send the approval request if necessary, and then post the purchase order. To view the results, go to the item card and go to that item's ledger entries. Each entry will have its own lot number assigned. I am now going to replicate this in the sales order, doing exactly the same as before. Select the customer, item and quantity, and then go to the Lines function, where you can select Item Tracking Lines. Once open, click Select Entries on the ribbon, and a page will open in which you can select the lots available for this item. Dynamics NAV will only take the maximum quantity in the sales order, so you don't need to worry about adding the numbers up. However, you can still modify the quantities if you need to. Click OK and post the document. Once posted, go to the item card and item tracking entries to see the details about that lot. It will show you the lot number relating to the delivery of the items, allowing you to track your stock. The NAV people offer free training on all aspects of NAV. Please visit our website to find out more: www.thenavpeople.com.